Hi everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Wanted to take a few moments and share with you a boat that just arrived. This boat was just traded in. This is a 2022 model Grady-White 271 Canyon center console. You can see here it's in the beautiful color, the ocean mist blue. And note, this 27-foot boat has a bow thruster. This boat has just every option actually that's available in this model. As we walk to the back here, you'll see that it is equipped with white Yamaha 300 horsepower 4-stroke motors. And let me tell you everyone, this boat will move. This boat has speeds right excess of about 50 miles an hour. Underwater lights, nice ladder there for boarding and unboarding when you're at the island. But folks, this boat has a lot of features, so let's climb aboard. Let me show them to you. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this 2022 Grady-White 271 Canyon. I'm starting back here on the transom because I wanted to show you how you can walk all the way across this transom here. For a 27-foot boat, that's a really nice feature, okay? You know, the quality of a Grady-White is like none other. Superior in quality, workmanship. You'll see back here we have your fish box, very deep fish box. You have a transom live well right here. Here's your battery switches right here. Have an aft fold down seat, so you can fold this down when you're fishing here in the back. As you look right here, you'll see you have a second live well, as well as a bait prep station with fresh water, tackle storage and drawers, plenty of rod holders, place to put your pliers, your knives, rod holders up here on the hard top, as well as carbon fiber outriggers. As we move up to the helm here, when I said this boat is loaded with features, I meant exactly that. Twin Garmin 16-inch chart plotter sonar bottom machine, your CL7 display, big digital display that monitors your engine, Yamaha digital joystick, helm master, digital controls, trim tabs. Remember we talked about that bow thruster right here at your fingertips. All of your controls are right here, so you don't have to look down here and try to do everything. They're right here when you're driving the boat. Electronics box up here, full wraparound windshield, very nice touch, very nice feature, okay? Of course, you can see the bolsters here on the seat. You got your Fusion stereo. Now, as I move forward here to the bow, I wanted to show you down here in the center console real quick. Look how deep and large your center console is there. Real porcelain head down there. Nice teak accents. Rod holders all throughout the gunnels. Lockable storages on the side. Tow rails back there. Like I said, this boat has so many features. I could make this video very long, but I just wanted you to have a quick view of it. When you get up here, you see plenty of lounging area if you're at the island. Backrests that fold away from you when you're fishing. This is a sun filler insert, so you can take this out if you like and make it into a table. So if you're at the island or sunset cruise, you can sit around here with your table. Also note, it does have Garmin closed on radar on top of the hardtop. This boat is loaded, folks. We just got it, just arrived. I hope you can take advantage of it. It would be my pleasure to show you this boat. You can reach me directly, again, Kenny Brown, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, at 850-596-8108. I look forward to talking to you. And remember, as I always say, it's about making memories on the water.